Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best pocket hole jigs on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Kreg R3 Jr Pocket-Hole Jig System. If you are just getting into the world of woodworking and have been hearing from everyone that you should be using pocket holes, but aren't sold on the idea, then this is a good system to check out. It is both high quality and budget friendly, making it the ideal starter for a beginner. This system can be used with a variety of wood widths and will allow you to set the depth and location of your holes easily. It is, as you would expect with a budget-friendly option, a bit light on accessories. If you do choose to go with this system, just make sure that you have a good clamp on your own, since it does not come with one. What makes it special? Can be used with a wide variety of material sizes. Lots of drill size options. What cons did we find? Does not come with any clamp. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kreg K5 Pocket-Hole Jig. It can be used as both a tabletop and portable jig, which gives you the freedom to work at home or on the go. It also has lots of different spacing holes that will allow you to put your screws exactly where you need them to be, as long as the material you are drilling is relatively thin. Another great feature of this jig is its oversized support wings. These wings provide a nice stable base for portable drilling and will help to support the material that you are drilling, which will give you a lot for the accurate hole. They can also be opened and shut to hold different accessories and tools. What do we love it for? Can be used for bench top or portable drilling. Attached clamp. Large support base for larger pieces that also serve as accessory storage. What were we disappointed with? Can only be used on materials that are 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick. Number 3. Our third best pick is WORKPRO Pocket-Hole Jig Kit. The WORKPRO Pocket-Hole Jig is a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. This is a complete kit that includes a variety of accessories, multiple setting options, built-in measurement scales to create a well-rounded product that is convenient to use for a range of projects. Beginners are sure to appreciate the easy setup and well-thought-out design. However, experienced users will also appreciate the functionality of the entire kit. You can use both C and F clamps with the kit, and the double chop hole makes it easier to get rid of any accumulated sawdust. This jig has 9 thick depth settings, and the built-in board thicknesses eliminate the need to manually measure. You can position the sliders to select from the different settings in both metric and inch measurements. The kit includes a durable carry case to keep everything organized, the adjustable pocket hole jig itself, step drill bit, steel stop collar, square drive bit, hex wrench, wood plugs, and coarse square screws. This makes this kit ideal for DIY home projects or for professionals. What stands out? The multiple different settings that eliminate the need to measure. It is a complete kit with many accessories. The very easy setup that will suit even novices. What cons did we manage to find? There are reports of broken drill bits. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Howd Pocket-Hole Jig Kit. The Howd Pocket-Hole Jig Kit is an ideal solution for accurate, quick and reliable joining of all types of wood. The product has a quick and easy setup that is perfect for hobbyists, professionals or even novices. This makes this a great product to improve your woodworking projects. This pocket hole jig is made from high-quality all-metal to offer excellent durability. It is far stronger than the glass-filled nylon counterparts. The drill sleeves are hardened to provide consistent, accurate pockets, making this a solid performer for woodworking tasks. You can adjust the slider height fast to suit the thickness of the board you're working with. The slider support offers measurements in both inches and metric, so you can use which one you feel most comfortable with. There is no complicated math required to use this jig. You can drill perfect pocket holes every time, whether you're working with softwood, hardwood or MDF materials. The kit includes a high-quality pocket-hole jig, 2 titanium-plated step drill bits, an additional slider holder, 2 screwdrivers, pocket-hole plug set, pocket screws and stop collar. The product is also supported with professional after-sales customer service, so you can contact the team if you have any questions or queries. What stands out? High-quality kit includes titanium-plated step drill bits and an additional slider holder. All-metal construction for durability and strength. Quick and easy setup even for novices. What cons did we manage to find? There are some tolerance issues. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Massca Pro M2 Aluminum Pocket-Hole Jig System. The Massca Pro M2 is an aluminum pocket-hole jig system. The model has a well-balanced frame and hardened steel grill guides for reliable support in your workshop or on a work site. The metal build ensures a heavy-duty, tough product that is designed to feel sleek, yet last a lifetime. This is the latest Massca Pro model and it now features stabilizing bars and blocks for easier working with long boards and to create quick, exact cuts. There is also advanced hole precision to create perfect pocket holes, accurately pre-drill pilot holes and repair wood joints. The kit features an easy drill depth knob, so you can quickly adjust to the thickness of your wood to avoid splits, splinters or other damage. The Pro M2 also features a dust spout connector and T-track slot to capture loose debris, sawdust and particles to reduce allergens in the air and encourage dust-free drilling. The kit also includes extra carpentry accessories including a stop collar, hex key, drill bit and a set of screws, so you can quickly get started on your woodworking projects. What do we love it for? Great kit of additional carpentry accessories so you can start your projects immediately. The frame is well balanced for reliable support. What were we disappointed with? The clamp can leave marks on softer woods. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.